How to fix fail to locate Framework.dll error. Method 1. Run the deployment image and servicing management scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in CMD, and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt window, type in dism/online/cleanup image/scan health and press the Enter key. Then type in dism/online/cleanup image/restore health and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Method 2. Run the system file checker scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in CMD, and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt window, type in sfc/scan now and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Method 3. Install the latest version of .NET Framework. Open your web browser and go to the .NET Framework download page. You can find a link in our article linked in the video description. Select the latest .NET Framework version. Then click Runtime next to Web Installer. Once the .NET Framework installer is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and run the installer. Accept the license terms and click Install. Click Finish. Restart your PC. Method 4. Disable and re-enable .NET Framework. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in appwiz.cpl and click OK. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Unmark .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8 checkboxes, and click OK. Click Close. Restart your PC. After the restart, hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in appwiz.cpl and click OK. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Mark .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8 checkboxes and click OK. Click Let Windows Update download the files for you. Click Close. Restart your PC. Method 5. Re-register all DLL files. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open Command Prompt as an administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type in for %1 in *.dll do reg svr32/s%1 and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.